Hello, my name is Matthew Bias, and the following material is written by me alone and represents my own personal opinion on the topics. I have decided to choose the social network known as High5. High5 was first founded in 2003 by a man named Ramu Yamamachi. Just like any other social network site, on High5 you create a profile in which you can get as specific as you want with your information and details about yourself. You can share your interests, age, hometown, pictures, and videos. There are three ways to add friends on High5. One, through your email phone book where the site matches people from your phone book. Two, you can directly look up friends' names if the person has a High5 account. And finally, you can invite friends directly through email. Just like most popular social networks such as Twitter, Facebook, and MySpace, you are able to block a member if you do not want them looking at your profile and information. An aspect to High5 that many other websites do not have is the flirt. You can click on the flirt option, and depending on your sexuality, it has a picture of the member that High5 thinks you will be interested in. You have the option of yes or no. If you click no, another person's profile is brought up. If you click yes, you have the option of sending this person a private message or continuing through many other profiles. This is a pro to the website because this is a unique feature not many other websites have. A con is the flirt option part of the website is not free. In order to do certain things on High5, like send private messages and purchase items in the store, you need coins, and the only way to receive coins is to pay for them using a credit card or other forms of payment. This site was once entirely free, no charges for anything, but because of small success High5 has gained, they started charging for minor things. Another flaw to High5 is there is no direct chat option, which means you can only contact people through private messages, and that is sometimes annoying with the back and forth and waiting for responses. High5 is an interesting social network website, but I do not believe I will continue using the website because I do not feel it meets my preferences. Thank you.